Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifaei bin Muhammad Rusaidi. My metric number is 23 DKM2A 2017. So, before we start our presentation, I would like to say thank you to Puan Anisah binti Arba'in for giving us this opportunity to present about the application of differentiation in real life. So, I would like to introduce my group mates.
Hello, my name is Afiq Irfan bin Jamhuri. My metric number is 23 DKM2F 2005.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahfirieziq bin NoorSyaharin and my metric number is 23 DKM2A 2010.
My name is Nabil Nazwan bin Zamri. My metric number is 23 DKM 20F 2009.
Alright, the table of contents in our presentation, which is firstly is we will present about what is differentiation. Secondly is about application of differentiation. Thirdly is about example of application. The next is solution, and lastly we will present about the conclusion.
Today I want to talk about what is differentiation. Differentiation in mathematics means a process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function, in contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it. To practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulations. Use three basics: derivative, four rules of operation, and knowledge of how to manipulate functions.
Next is application of differentiation. There are many applications of differentiation that can be used in real life. For example, to find stationary point on the graph, to find maximum and minimum value, and the last one is identify rate of change.
Okay, so the question is, a farmer wishes to fence off a rectangular sheep pen and uses all of 100 meter of fencing. Okay, and a joining hedge is to be used as one side of the pen. Determine the maximum area of the pen. Okay, first of all, we create the diagram, okay, so that we can be more understand lah. Okay, we draw the diagram based on the information that was given lah. Okay, so the first information that was given is the perimeter is 100 meter. Okay, so we don't know any length of the sides, right? Okay, so we just tag an X at the sides. So the long one, how do we get that? First, the perimeter, we know the perimeter is 100, right? Okay, so we minus the both sides. Okay, then we get the length of the longer one lah. How do we get the area? Okay, area is width minus multiply by length, right? Okay, so the one side is x, right? The width is x and the length is 100 minus 2x. So we just multiply them. Okay, okay, then the equation of area that we get is 100x minus 2x squared. Okay, and then we differentiate them. Why? Okay, because we want to find the maximum length possible. Okay, okay, when we differentiate the equation of the area, okay, we get 100 minus 4x. Okay, we learned that in class, right? Okay, so how to find the value of x? Okay, let 100 minus 4x equal to 0. Okay, and then you get the value of x, which is 25. We differentiate one more time the equation that we get, which is 100 minus 4x. We will get negative 4. Okay, this is because we need to find the derivative to confirm its nature. Okay, when we get the negative value, okay, so it's confirmed lah. The area is maximum. Okay, next step, we already got the value of x, right? Okay, and then we just enter the value. We replace the value, okay, in the diagram. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so and then we find the width and the length lah. So and then we'll get the maximum area. Okay, so for this question we got 25, right? The value of x is 25. So the width we got is 50 meter. Okay, so how do we find the area? Okay, 25 multiply by 50, we got 1250. Okay, so that is the maximum area of the pen. Okay, 1250. Okay, thank you.
So right now I will present about the conclusion. So from this presentation, we can know that it is very important for us to learn about differentiation, especially for mechanical engineering student. It is because differentiation have many applications that will help us to solve problems in real life. From this presentation, we also can conclude that by using differentiation, it can help farmer to know the maximum area of rectangular sheep pen if they want to fence off. So it is very helpful and very important for us to learn about differentiation. That's all from us. Thank you.